we go. We've got little baby Lucy, used to be Betty. And then we have little Ann. Little Ann's up for adoption. And then we have a Bluetick boy at 7 months. Little Ann is 3 years. Hi, baby. She's new, so her family had to let her go, and she's available. Lovely girl. Absolutely lovely girl. And then we got little Lucy, who's going to be heading home tonight. Yes, she is. Peter's late, but we'll wait around for him. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. They all get along good. Hi, guys. Okay, I'm coming over to see ya. Who's coming over to see you? Hi, everybody. Oh, hi, everybody. Hi, little baby. Yeah. Hi, little baby. Hi, big baby. Hi, big baby. Hi, sweetie. Oh, she's talking. She's talking. Hi. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. All right, David, there's your girl. Heading home to you tonight. Hi, sweetie pie. Your big brother is blocking me. Hi, honey.